Get ready for the next evolution of mobile technology. Samsung has officially launched the One UI 9 beta built on Android 17, kicking off testing immediately with the Galaxy S26 series. This beta went live on May 13th in 6 countries, and we are tracking everything about this massive software overhaul. We are diving deep into what this means for your device and when you can get your hands on it. Allows users to completely cut internet access to distracting apps at the network level. This isn't just a timer. It's a sophisticated system that blocks connectivity entirely, protected by a PIN, offering a level of control unmatched by current tools. We're also checking the latest on security updates, as the Galaxy S26 series is getting a crucial security patch rolled out with the One UI 8.5 update. If you own a Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra, and you are in Germany, the UK, the US, Korea, India, or Poland, you can sign up for the beta now through the Samsung Members app. Don't miss out on the details. Stick with us for the full breakdown. Samsung has officially launched the One UI 9 beta, built on the latest Android 17 platform, beginning with the Galaxy S26 series. The beta commenced on May 13, 2026, in 6 countries, with a stable rollout anticipated in July alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8. One UI 9 represents the next major iteration following One UI 8.5. Samsung confirmed the update's foundation on Android 17, Google's newest annual release. The beta development focuses on 4 key areas: creativity, customization, accessibility, and security. Major artificial intelligence features are reserved for the stable release, meaning the current beta version is lighter than previous major updates. Visual refinements are already visible in early builds. Reports from sources like SamMobile and TechRadar indicate smaller tweaks in the user interface and customization, building upon the visual overhaul introduced in One UI 8.5. Furthermore, running on Android 17 means users can expect platform improvements integrated from Google's latest Android developers reports, although exact feature implementation remains dependent on Samsung's OEM software interpretation. Samsung has not yet published an official list of eligible devices for One UI 9. Any current eligibility projections are based on Samsung's historical update commitments and One UI 8.5 criteria, not an official statement. Devices that have reached the end of Samsung's update cycle, as analyzed by community moderators, are not guaranteed to receive the One UI 9 update. The stable launch date is highly anticipated, with credible reports pointing toward a Galaxy Unpacked event on July 22, 2026, in London, where the Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8 are expected to debut with the stable One UI 9 version. Samsung has not officially confirmed this date or venue. For owners of the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra in the 6 eligible markets, users can manage the beta through the Samsung Members Beta Hub. Availability may vary based on carrier and region. It is crucial to note that certain African markets, including Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and Ghana, are not part of the official beta program, and attempting to sideload firmware using unsupported region spoofing methods is strongly advised against due to potential device damage and service disruption. Given the uncertainty surrounding official timelines and device eligibility, experts advise caution. Users relying on their devices for critical functions like banking or mobile money should refrain from installing beta firmware until the stable version is officially released and thoroughly vetted for bugs, as past builds have occasionally presented issues. Samsung has officially launched the beta testing phase for One UI 9, opening it exclusively to users of the Galaxy S26 series. The beta is currently available in Germany, India, Korea, Poland, the UK, and the US. This new software iteration is built upon Android 17 and places a significant emphasis on enhancing creativity, customization, accessibility, and security, while also laying the groundwork for future advanced AI features on upcoming Galaxy flagships. Key updates in One UI 9 beta include significant changes across several applications. In Samsung Notes, users will benefit from expanded options, featuring more decorative tapes and a wider variety of pen styles. The Contacts application has been integrated into Creative Studio, allowing users to generate personalized profile cards without needing to switch between different applications. Interface refinements have also been introduced, notably in the Quick panel, which now offers granular size adjustments for elements such as brightness, volume, and media controls. Accessibility improvements are also prominent, with a more refined mouse key control and the merging of both Samsung and Google feature sets within the TalkBack package. Furthermore, the text spotlight has been enhanced, appearing in a clearer, larger floating window. Security is being redefined through AI integration, making it more human interactable. The system now actively informs users about risky applications, automatically blocks installations of suspicious apps, and strongly prompts users to delete potentially harmful software. Access to the One UI 9 beta is available now, but interested users must sign up through the Samsung Members app. For further news, in-depth reviews, and community insights, readers are encouraged to follow Nasi Lemak Tech on Facebook and join their dedicated Facebook group. Samsung has introduced a groundbreaking feature within the One UI 9 beta for the Galaxy S26 series that fundamentally changes how users manage digital distractions. Dubbed Network Management for Concentration, this tool operates at the network layer, completely cutting internet access to selected distracting applications, unlike conventional screen time tools that only gray out icons or issue soft reminders. The feature was discovered within a hidden diagnostic menu called Connectivity Labs, accessible by repeatedly tapping Intelligent Wi-Fi in the Wi-Fi settings. Described by code strings as a means to reduce distractions from videos, social media, and games to improve concentration on work and study. This capability offers a robust solution to the common problem of users bypassing time limits. Samsung's approach distinguishes itself by blocking the app's internet connection rather than the application itself. This means the app remains visible, but it cannot refresh feeds or receive updates. Users can organize restrictions by blocking entire categories of apps instantly. To prevent easy circumvention, the system enforces a security layer requiring a 6-digit PIN to enable or modify network restrictions, complete with recovery and reset prompts. This friction is designed to counteract impulsive checking. Furthermore, users can set scheduled downtime modes, automatically activating restrictions during defined hours for tasks like studying or working, and deactivating them afterward. This layered system combines network-level blocking, PIN enforcement, and scheduling. This technology addresses a critical issue in the current digital landscape, where rising phone addiction clashes with users' desire to reduce screen time. Existing solutions, such as Apple's Screen Time or Google's Digital Wellbeing Focus Mode, are often defeated by simple taps or device resets. Samsung's method offers deeper system-level restriction, making it significantly harder to bypass. The One UI 9 beta, built on Android 17, is currently available for Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra owners in select markets including the US, UK, Germany, South Korea, India, and Poland. The feature operates across all connectivity types, blocking internet access for chosen categories while allowing other functions, such as calls or work apps, to remain active. While the concentration mode resides in experimental labs, signals suggest it is likely to be integrated into future One UI 9 updates or One UI 9.5. This development positions Samsung as a potential leader in creating deeply integrated, friction-based solutions for digital wellness. Samsung has released a new software update for its latest flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, including the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. This update, featuring One UI 8.5, is primarily focused on delivering the latest security patch to these devices. The release, identified by build number S94XBXXS2AZE2 and sized at approximately 560 MB, is a relatively small release designed to bolster device security. This strategic move aligns with Samsung's current focus on developing the One UI 9 update for the Galaxy S26 series. While the One UI 9 update is anticipated to bring new features, it is not expected to be a massive overhaul. Users interested in testing new features can access the One UI 9 beta program. Availability for this beta varies by region. Users in Germany and the UK can enroll through the Samsung Members app, with other eligible markets including the USA, Korea, India, and Poland. For users looking to download the update directly, instructions involve navigating to Settings, accessing the Software Update menu, and selecting Download and Install on their Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra devices.